Bryce Underwood might not be the starter in Michigan. I know that sounds crazy. Hear me out. Jake Garcia just transferred into town. Yes, the Jake Garcia from Miami, Missouri, East Carolina, and now Michigan. Last year, East Carolina, he threw for 1,400 yards, 8 touchdowns, and 12 picks. He might end up being the starter in Ann Arbor this year. I know what you're thinking. There's no way, but think about it. Bryce Underwood should be the penciled-in starter. 5-star freshman, best player in the nation for 2025. Now, there's a QB battle between Bryce Underwood and Jaden Davis during the spring ball because Mikey Keene was out with a shoulder injury. Those are 3 really talented players, and Mikey Keene was a transfer from Fresno State. And of course, the starter from last year, Davis Warren, is still on the roster. Therefore, the only reason to bring Jake Garcia in is if you don't like what you see from any of your quarterbacks right now. Because this is super late to bring in a quarterback. Portal opened up back in April. Obviously, I'm not in the building. There's still camp. But get ready to see Jake Garcia being QB1 for Michigan. And of course, I think Bryce Underwood will start at some point, but it won't be for those first couple of games. He still has some development to go through, but he will be a good player. But Michigan fans, let me know what you think down below about Jake Garcia transferring in, what that means for the QB room.